Scotland faced a windy start on Monday as 70 miles per hour winds caused chaos for rush hour commuters. The high winds have led to disruption across the country, with many roads closed or restricted. A lorry has reportedly overturned on the A1 northbound at Thistle Cross roundabout. The Tay Road Bridge has been closed to high-sided vehicles, and the Met Office has issued a yellow warning for high wind across the country. Heavy showers are also expected to affect parts of western and northern Scotland. Warnings have been issued for Clackman and Sherrinderskin bridges, and the Forth Road Bridge is closed to pedestrians and cyclists, although a shuttle service is in place. Commuters are facing up to 70 miles per hour wind. Image daily record CalMax ferries from Oban to Castlebay, Cole, and Tyree have been cancelled, as well as the Mallock to Lochbuadale service. The Met Office's chief forecaster said gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour are likely to develop quite widely, with gusts of 70 miles per hour possible over parts of northern and western Scotland and more locally over high ground elsewhere. Winds are expected to peak across western Scotland in the early hours of Monday and through the central belt of Scotland during Monday morning's busy travel period. The strongest of the winds should gradually become confined to northeast Scotland by late evening.